Cornwall Labour Party collected a 5,000 signature petition to force Cornwall Council to properly discuss the issue of taking our adult community hospitals out of the NHS into a social enterprise company. Frank Dobson MP, who had been the Labour Health Secretary, came down to officially present the petition to the Council and to meet local Labour Party members.
The NHS is far from perfect, but for most people, in most places, most of the time, it does a very good job, which is why it's immensely popular. Far and away the most popular institution in the country. And it's partly popular because it does a good job for each of us, but I think it's also popular because people like the idea that it's there for everybody. And it's I think it's one of the most reassuring things when everybody says, oh, we're a terrible reactionary conservative country. The popularity of the NHS, both in practice and principle, I think is very reassuring, because it's not anything about competition. It's about, you know, it looks after me, it looks after my family, it looks after the folks next door, but it looks after everybody in the street, it looks after everybody in the village, it looks after everybody in Cornwall. And I find that a very reassuring idea that, you know, if we're going to have decent service for any of us, unless you're really stinking rich, we've got to work together to provide it and club together to pay for it. And so I think the more we can concentrate public attention on the NHS, benefits it brings, the threat to it, both from the cuts that they're pushing through, but even more from the competition and the spectre of American health corporations. The more we can do that, the better. It's only since ordinary people started living a long time that it's been perceived as a problem.